Hi, my name's Dana. Brighten up a cloudy day with this fun experiment, as today we are going to be making a mini cloud inside of a jar. The materials you'll need today are a jar with a lid, some ice cubes, hot water that is not boiling, and optional, you can use a towel or a cutting board to stop heat from escaping your jar. First, you're going to want to fill your jar about 1/3 full with the hot water. Next, you're going to have an adult hold a lit match inside the jar for a few seconds. After those seconds, have them drop it into the water and close the lid quickly. Next, place the ice cubes on top of the lid. Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes and watch as a cloud appears in your jar. If a cloud doesn't appear, that means there's either too little water vapor or too little smoke. Try again, but next time, give less time for the water to cool down and close the lid as soon as you drop the match in. In addition, if you are doing the experiment on a cold surface, try putting a mat underneath to stop any heat from escaping the bottom of the jar. To see the cloud better, you might want to shine a flashlight into the jar. Finally, remove the lid to your jar and let your cloud fly free. Clouds are made from extremely small droplets of water. For a cloud to form, first water must turn into a gas called water vapor. The process of water going from liquid water to water vapor is called evaporation. After the water has evaporated into a gas, it then must condense back into small droplets of water. These droplets of water then cling to the small particles in the air, such as the smoke from the match in the jar, to form a cloud. Hopefully this experiment didn't make your day too cloudy. HatterSTEM, out.